How does DigLead works? Here comes a brief explanatory video about how DigLead works and why it could be a powerful force for your customer acquisition process. Simply, how did you automate and reach new customers? Let's break this down into 7 simple steps. Step 1. To successfully reach the right people, we start by working together with you to identify your average customer. Who is your customer and why? Can we somehow put key metrics on this? How large are they? What type of decision makers do they have? In what geographical area are they in? And so on. We determine the criteria and then create a tailor-made offer designed to trigger action. Step 2. We have now identified whom we will be communicating with. This is where we start to exploit the power of artificial intelligence. The tool searches the web for email addresses that match the criteria that we established in step 1, finding relevant companies and key individuals. Step 3, it's time to get personal, to craft messages that stand out. There's often talk about quantity versus quality. If you want quality, you have to research each customer. It's very time consuming and requires a lot of money and without guaranteeing results. Quantity, sending out a lot of emails, will be great. No, you shouldn't do that either. The key is to find a balance, and this can be achieved by making the emails more personal or something that triggers a thought. With our knowledge in communication, we can create personalized emails that manage to cut through the noise. 4. Sending out email campaigns and the system behind it. We use a combination of artificial intelligence and a CRM system. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. You may have a CRM already today, but what we do here is to integrate such a function so that we can follow up and act on every new customer who reaches out to you in one way or another. We also monitor key parameters such as opening rate and click rate and adapt the campaign based on these data. Automated follow-up. We don't let any opportunity pass unnoticed. Just think about how many emails you open and read. Is it a coincidence that you open a certain email? Or is it because of the subject line that makes you open an email? Or what is it really? So here we can start thinking about what happens if we don't just send out one email. It creates recognition. A short personal email to see if the recipient had time to read your email. This increases the chance of converting leads to customer by around 22%. The human element. You send out an email, you receive an email. They may want more information or want to be referred to another person, or perhaps want to be contacted at a later date. Here it is important to staff this process. This means that someone is responsible for following up when our customers get in touch. Either you already have a sales organization that can do this, or we have a professional team that can assist you with it. 7. The step everything should lead to: booking meetings. This is when we arrange a meeting with customers who have shown interest in booking a meeting with you. The purpose here is really to have an initial dialogue. It could be a webinar, it could also be a phone call or a digital meeting. The point is to find a method that suits you best, and here we help you set up this process. Most importantly, we only count completed meetings, which gives you full value for your investment. So that was DigLeads explained in 7 simple steps. If you still have any questions or want to book a meeting with us, you found us on digleads.se.